Hi, I'm Jerry Payne, ghostwriter, editor, workshop instructor, and author of Writing Memoir, the practical guide to writing and publishing the story of your life. You know, most people think their lives are ordinary. They'll say, nothing ever happened to me worth writing about. But here's the truth. Your life is extraordinary to someone, your children, your grandchildren, maybe even a complete stranger who will see themselves in your story. Because memoir, true memoir, isn't about being famous or being wildly successful or having lived some incredibly unique life. Those are all good reasons to write a memoir, but it's about being human. And humanity is always worth writing about. And it's always worth writing about because it's always worth reading about. Memoir is the bridge between your lived experience and the people who will come after you, the people who will read of your life. Think about the books that have moved you most. Chances are they weren't about world leaders or pop stars or famous athletes. They were about people navigating everyday life, people like you. Memoir proves that the ordinary is never ordinary. The biggest myth about memoir is, my story isn't interesting enough. Let me bust that. Memoir isn't about what happened. It's about what it meant. The smallest moment, a kitchen table argument, a childhood summer, a single decision you made can hold more power than an entire world event. What readers connect to is not the size of your story, but the heart of it. Now picture this. You hold your finished book in your hands. You see your name on the cover. You flip through pages that capture your voice, your wisdom, your experiences. And then you pass it to your granddaughter, or your best friend, or a stranger across the country who emails you to say, that chapter, that was my life too. That's the magic of memoir. It transforms your personal journey into something universal. And here's the best part. You don't have to know how to write a book to start. You only need one moment. Write a single scene. Choose a memory that comes back again and again. Maybe the day you left home or the sound of your father's laugh. Write that down. Don't worry about style or structure. Just start. Because one scene leads to another, and before you know it, you're building a story only you can tell. So if you've ever thought maybe someday I'll write my story, let this be the day you start believing it. Your story matters more than you think. And if I can show you this in 3 minutes, imagine what we can do together when we really get to work. Your life has magic in it. Memoir is how you share it with the world. Below, you'll find a link to my course, Your Memoir Journey, a comprehensive course on writing and publishing your life story. In this course, which you take at your own pace, I cover everything from the blank page to getting your book on Amazon and out to the world. You've got a story I know others would love to read. Don't let it go untold.